We were very much waiting for the zFab kit, the fabric digitization part, but also the virtual fitting that it can do, and the use of AI, like how CLO is helping us to explore that. It's very exciting to see.
個講解都好詳細，亦都好有耐心咁樣去做一個 demo 啊。個 system 其實係我啲同事個 feedback 都係好 positive， 對比舊嗰 set 咧係一個飛躍式嘅進步，因為舊嗰 set 主要係好 manual， 好多工序都需要人手去做。咁新嗰套就順利地將個 manual operation eliminate 啦，減少啦。咁另外就睇到佢 software 都好 highly automate， 咁有好多 auto generation 啊、tiling 啊，咁嗰啲都係好簡單可以做得到。咁呢個同事都係非常之開心，同埋 looking forward to it.
The biggest takeaway is that, AI is becoming such a big topic in the industry, but it's kind of like where to start. So I like that in the presentation she touched base on what's going to come out and the features, but also like how to start setting it up in the company and actually implement it in the workflow. And then for the fabric scanner, it's really interesting for us as we're always focusing on building our digital material libraries. So to have a more innovative tool to make it more accurate and more usable is very interesting for us.